How to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
The pro style, not just any peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The ones that kids will love.
Okay.
Alright, so first you want to start off by getting your 2 pieces of bread, of course, just, I like Mary and Mary, but peanut butter, and some jelly or jam. So, you want to start off just by scooping some on there. You can have too much, but you can't have too little. As in, you can always put some of the excess jelly or jam back into the jar.
What? No.
No.
With crumbs?
No. I will show you. I will show you a crumb-free way of getting it back into the jar. But first, you have to spread it out. So you want just a nice even layer. You see how it's you can't see. Well, I mean, you can see the bread, but I'll show you the difference. How you can see it like that. That's how a lot of people try to do it. You want it to be more of an even layer, like more like that, to where you can't see the bread so visibly. Alright?
Okay.
So you want a nice even spread. You don't want to get it too close to the bottom, because I found out when I'm eating the jelly and peanut butter, they tend to drip out the bottom. So you want to kind of keep a little bit of it away, because it will naturally go down and cover that.
Gravity?
Yes. So if you have any excess, like this, then you just want to lightly scrape it, just like that, and see, like, no crumbs. Scoop it back in, okay?
Yeah.
There's no crumbs, don't worry. Alright, so now you want to clean your knife as much as you can with the jar, and then any excess like that, because you don't want to mix the jelly into the peanut butter.
What can you
But
clean
any excess like that, you just wipe it on your next piece of bread, and you have a clean knife. Alright, so the peanut butter, when you have this much jelly, it doesn't look like too much, but it's a lot. When it mixes with the peanut butter, you need more peanut butter than you do jelly, a lot more. And eventually you'll get just a feel. The more you practice making peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, the more of a feel that you will get.
The better you'll be at it?
Yes, between the ratio of the right amount of peanut butter and the right amount of jelly. But you want it so it's pretty thickly spread, just like that. And again, just kind of spread it out evenly, and any excess like that, just put it back into the
So no
jar.
crumbs in there?
No crumbs in there.
Because that's my pet peeve.
No crumbs in either of them, but we do have the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So then, another thing, you always want to take the bread apart to where it lines up with each other. So when you put it back, it will be perfect, just like that. And that is how you make the perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Real out.